Hi, I'm Shanaya Joshy and you're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.
For this camera-ready makeup look, I start off by applying moisturizer and massaging it into my skin. Very gently and in an upward motion. Next, I'm opting for a full coverage foundation. It helps to conceal any hyperpigmentation or dark spots. It also gives me an even skin tone. I'm then blending the foundation using a stippling brush. Now, moving on to concealer. I'm applying some concealer under my eyes in an upward direction. This makes my face look lifted. I'm also applying some concealer on my nose and my cheekbones for a more sculpted look. I'm blending it using a small rounded brush. You can use the remaining product on your brush to prime your lids. Using a damp beauty blender or a damp compact sponge, apply some translucent powder to set the concealer in place. You can dust off the excess using a fluffy brush. Let's move on to the brows. Using a fine brow brush, I'm filling in my brows using a dark brown shade. Use a spoolie to fan out your brows. Doing this doesn't only make them look fuller, but also achieves that natural look on camera. For the eyes, I'm opting for a monotone look. I'm starting out by applying a nude colored shadow on my crease, lid, and the outer corners of my eye. Try and attain a cat eye with this eyeshadow so that it makes the face and the eyes look lifted. Using the same shadow on a tightly packed brush, I'm going to line my lower lash line. Doing this makes your eyes look a lot more defined. Now, using a brown kohl pencil, extend your inner corner further in. Carve out a long wing on the outer corner of your eyes. Doing this will make your eyes appear super long. Next, I'm applying mascara on both my upper and my lower lashes for some volume. And now, it's time for some blush. I'm applying some on my nose and my chin for a pop of color, so I don't look like a pale ghost on camera. Make sure to blend the blush into the skin properly. And now, to contour my face, I'm using a fluffy angled contour brush to bronze up my cheekbones and my jawline. Now, it's time for that blinding highlight. Apply highlighter on all the high points of your face with a fan highlighter brush. I'm also applying it on the bridge of my nose and under my brows. And lastly, apply a nice shiny gloss on your lips. And you're ready! Thanks for watching.